I'm going to be showing you guys the proper way to hang your dress pants. Trust me, there are a lot of guys who don't know this. You are not the only one. It's a real problem. When hanging your dress pants, make sure you have a proper hanger. This is key. You want a hanger that has a bar that can be unhinged. This allows you to slip the pants onto the hanger and secure them so that they don't fall. Now, what you want to do is take your pants by the front waistband where the first two belt loops are and meet them together. This is an easy way to fold the dress pants on the crease and keep it nice and clean. Now, lay the pants on a flat surface aligned with the crease of the pant, and then take the open hanger and slide the pants onto the hanger and secure. Now you can properly hang your dress pants, leading to them lasting longer. This is an easy way to fold the dress pants on the crease and keep them nice and clean. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and let us know if you have any questions.